Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by turning power off at the breaker and confirming the circuit is dead. Use a non-contact tester first, then verify with a multimeter reading 0 volts. Measure the fixture diameter and clearance. Many downlights are 3.5 inches across. Gather tools, screwdriver, wire stripper, needle nose pliers, voltage tester, replacement LED driver if needed. Document the bulb type and any markings such as 120V or 12V on the housing. Take a photo of wiring before disconnecting to preserve correct reassembly orientation. Remove the trim and bulb carefully while observing how the assembly detaches. Inspect the LED module for burn marks and test the bulb in a known good socket. Check the driver output voltage. Many LED drivers provide 12V DC or 24V DC. Measure driver current rating. Common ratings include 350 or 500 for spot LEDs. Verify wire connections are secure and that no neutral or live wires are loose. If the driver shows no output, plan to match a replacement driver to the original specifications, including voltage and current. Turn power off, disconnect old driver, and transfer connections using wire nuts or connectors. Secure all wiring with electrical tape and ensure strain relief for the cable entry. Before reinstalling, test the new driver output with a multimeter under no load. Reinstall the LED module and trim, then restore power at the breaker to test operation. If flicker occurs, confirm dimmer compatibility or replace the dimmer with one rated for LEDs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.